During our stay in Puebla, we went and visited a small town nearby called Atlixco. It is a beautiful little Pueblo Magico, only a short bus ride away from Puebla City, probably about 20 or 30 minutes. No more than that, about 30 pesos. And it is known to be the city of flowers. We explored this small town, enjoying the scent of flowers all around us, and I was completely impressed by how in tune they were with nature and with their magical green thumbs to be able to have so many beautiful designs all around and sculptures made of plants and everything. It was a sight to see. This little city town rests really close to the volcano Popocatépetl. Atlixco comes from a Nahuatl phrase which can be interpreted as water in the valley or water on the ground. I'd say it is a perfect name for this town and everything it exemplifies.